Canva is an online graphic design tool used to create social media posts, videos, flyers, posters, presentations, and so much more. If you are a content creator into graphics and video editing, Canva is a must have. Canva can be used for free to do basic things, but if you like to unlock professional and more mind-blowing features, you have to subscribe for the pro version, which will cost you money definitely, and it's about $20 to $30 per month. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock this Canva Pro for free without paying any subscription money whatsoever. So watch this video to the very end as I show you a step-by-step process on how you can unlock the Canva Pro and use it whenever, however you want, for free without spending a dime. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are all about making money online, increasing your productivity as a creator, and also growing here on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Canva Pro for free. So first of all, you have to download the Canva app on your phone, either through the Play Store or App Store, depending on the kind of phone you're using. Or if you're using a desktop or a laptop, you can go straight to the web through Google and just type in Canva. So I'm going to be using my desktop. So if you're using your desktop, you go straight to Google and type in Canva, and you click on the link Canva, and Canva opens. So as you can see, this is my Canva account, but it's already a pro account. It's already a Canva Pro account. So what I'm going to be doing now is going to be showing you how to get a Canva Pro account. So I'm going to try and log into Canva using another Gmail. I'll do continue with email. So I'm going to put in the email I want to use. So as soon as you do that, you create your account name, whatever name you choose to use. Then a code will be sent to the email you're using. So guys, when you get in the code, you put it in and this shows up. So you just put what you're using Canva for. I'm going to be choosing for personal use. Then as soon as that comes up, Canva will tell you to try the Canva Pro for free. You can actually do this for free for 30 days, guys. So without any stress, you can use Canva for free for 30 days. In the method I'm going to be teaching you today, we are going to first of all try the Canva Pro for 30 days for free without paying any money. So you come here and it shows you start my free trial, and you click on that and it shows you the plan. Then you go next, then you input your card details over here. If you have it saved already, you can just put it there. So after doing that, you click on get free trial. So guys, as you can see, after doing that, I now have the Canva Pro now for free for 30 days, so I can do anything on Canva now without paying any subscription money for the next 30 days. So let me show you how this works. For you to know you have a Canva Pro, what you do is to check out this templates over here, the ones you see that are having this logo by the side showing a crown with Pro on it, means that you can only access this if you have the Canva Pro. So let's click on it and see if it works for us. Click on customize this template. So for instance, we're going to work on this, and as soon as we're done, we save it, go to share, and you download. As you can see guys, I'm downloading this now. I'm using Canva Pro for free for 30 days. So for you to continue to use Canva Pro even after the 30 days of your free trial, what you're going to do is, first you're going to have to cancel. So you go back. So what you do is you go over to settings, then you go over to billing and plans. Then over here you see cancel plan. So what you do is go to cancel plan, and you cancel your plan before that 30 days expires. So after you have cancelled your plan, go over to open a new tab, then you type in temp mail. You search for temp mail on Google, and you see here temp mail disposable temporary email. You open it up. So verifying you are human, this may take a few minutes, so you verify. So after that, you get a temporary email which is loading now. Then what you do is, after you've gotten your email, you copy it. After copying it, you go back to your Canva, then you go over to your top right and you click on your account. Then what you do is to click on add another account, then you go to continue with email, then you click on it. Then after that you see enter a new email. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to paste that email we copied from the temporary email. Then you just continue, put your name in, whatever name you want for it, then you continue. Then what you do is, to get this code Canva has sent to that email, you go back to the temporary email, then you go over to copying the code. So you copy the code, then go back to Canva and paste it over here. So a new page opens up. So just cancel this, maybe later. Okay, for personal use. Then you are here again, back to try Canva Pro for free for another 30 days, guys. So you just continue like that. Next, put your card details, and get your free trial again for another 30 days. So you can do this every 30 days. After this, now you cancel, then you go back to get a temporary mail, then you log in again and get another 30 days, and you can keep on going on and on. But guys, if you know you can afford Canva, if you know the money is not too much for you, just as you can see here, it's about 23,900 for your Canva for I think a year. And so this is about 25 to $30 a year. So it's not so much. So you can decide to pay if you have the money, but depending on when you can afford it, you can keep on trying this method for free without paying any subscription money at all. So if this video was helpful and you benefited a lot from it, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more updates on our videos on this kind of topics. And also, please don't forget to support us by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.